45 miles per hour, although it could bring some devastating impacts with 30 inches of rain locally in the southern side of the storm. As it's going to gradually move towards the Belize and Yucatan. But there's going to be this front right here. There's a storm warning at the most random place. Okay, whoops. Also, we're seeing a tropical disturbance. It may develop, as you could see. It's gonna head a little towards like the Mexican region. Maybe it could go just towards a loop towards just southern of the equator, maybe. But that might not happen. Manyi will bring for sure devastating impacts, as you could see. It's literally a Category 5 super typhoon. Bro, that sigh. Oh, I don't understand why that's high. Usagi's remains like it couldn't remain in any further because it did not get to survive it. It does not even have any rain, bro. Beaky, it looks kind of impressive. Beaky's a Category 1 cyclone. Is it going to become a Category 2 cyclone? Into a moderate cyclone warning may be issued later today. Goodbye. Hope you have a great day.